this tutorial to know about how to get back your hacked Roblox account. Sometime Roblox account is snatched or hacked using a scam link, malware scanning, or by a stranger who promised to return you something later on. Like here, my password has been changed, or I have forgot the password. Let's click on Forgot Password link. Luckily, if you updated your email address to Roblox account and the hacker hasn't changed yet, then you should be able to reset it on the Roblox website. Let's enter your registered email ID and Roblox will send you a link for password reset. Let's open your email account and check an email from the Roblox account. There will be a password reset button or link. Enter your new password. We need to again type the new password, so that Roblox can verify the password, and then we need to press submit button. If everything is fine, then Roblox would be asked for the CAPTCHA verification, or we should be able to see our Roblox account. Now, we will see how we can get our hack password if our mobile number is already registered with a Roblox account. Here my password is not valid. We will use our mobile number to get the password back. We need to provide our mobile number after selecting the country code. After submission, Roblox will send the SMS with the 6-digit of code in our mobile. After providing that 6-digit code, we would be able to access our Roblox account. But if email and mobile number were not helpful to get the password back, then we need to contact Roblox support. We can do so by filling out the form. Once Roblox support contacts us via email, we'll need to prove the account belongs to us. Here are some tips for that process. When filling out the form, use the email address you used to sign up for Roblox. Even if the hacker changed the email address on the account, Roblox can still see your original sign-up info. If you ever bought anything in Roblox, be prepared to answer questions about the amounts of purchase, credit card info, and PayPal account. Even the content of the email is very important. Short content, email ID and mentioning of mobile number will help a lot to get your account back ASAP. Once you access to your hacked account, you should turn on two-step verification to help keep your account secure in the future. When two-step verification is enabled, Roblox will automatically send an email containing a verification code to the email address on file. You won't be able to completely log in until you enter that code. This keeps your account secure because anyone who signs in with your Roblox account must also have access to your email account. How to set up the two-step verification in the Roblox. Follow the Tech Tips Panda channel that has been explained very well. Now tutorial is end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider to subscribe the channel. Keep liking and commenting on videos. Thank you for watching.